How to hide your phone number on Telegram. If you want to make sure your phone number is protected and secured on this Telegram interface, this video is for you. Remember, people can use your phone number for a whole lot of things, so it's best you secured it anytime you have such option. On your Telegram app, navigate to the top left corner where you see this three ellipses and click on it. Among the list of menus here, continue to click on settings. Then with this selected, when you scroll down a bit, you could see privacy and security. Continue to click on it. Now under privacy and security, this is where the magic will happen. So when you scroll down a bit, you could see phone number. Make sure to click on it. And the phone number, you will see who can see my phone number. The current option I selected is my contact. So assuming you don't want anybody to see it, which is sometimes the best option, you can just continue to click on nobody. And then in terms of who can find me by my number, you can then continue to click on my contact. With these two selected, you are sure we guarantee that your phone number is protected on Telegram. After that, continue to click on done. That's it. You have successfully hide your phone number on Telegram. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.